Hi, I'm Dr. Shail and welcome back. Today I'm going to be discussing something called a foldable frame. So when you do your endodontics, one of the biggest challenges we face during endo is how do I do my radiograph in between a procedure. Now this foldable frame is your answer to that problem. What you can do is place the foldable frame, and every time you want to do a radiograph, you can just retract the frame and you can do your radiograph really easily. Now I'm just going to show you a short clinical demonstration on how you can do that, making your life really simple. So here we go. Open.